Good morning. So it's Saturday and we are just gonna have breakfast now, and then we are heading to this adrenaline forest. So I'm really excited. I haven't done one of these in like years. You're pretty much like up in the trees doing all these obstacle courses, so that should be really fun. So we're on our way to...
You meant to say hello. Go.
Hello. We're on our way to adrenaline.
It's a Saturday.
Forest. Okay, well, you start it.
No. Apparently I talk funny.
Micah, just...
No, I'm not going to do it.
Okay, so we're here at the adrenaline forest. And it looks really cool. Hey, Mike.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if you can see it.
You can't see it.
It's up in those trees.
Haley will take you out there.
I'll show you now.
Wait, we got these in Aussie, bro. For who?
Ready, Micah?
I'll see you on the other side. Am I holding?
Yeah. So we're up doing this adrenaline forest, and we're just on level 3. It's so much fun. Just up in the trees. Comes Micah. Hi, Micah.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Yeah, and we're hooked on by these harnesses. And we just do all these, ooh. We
Let's go,
just do,
Haley.
oh, okay. Well, I'll give Micah the camera. I'll show you what we do.
Look, we're in the forest. Go, oh yeah, go down. Be safe.
Go, Micah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Holy. He's crazy. Man, it's getting really hard. Look at you. Go, Micah. Swing it.
Let's swing.
Watch him swing. Ready? I'm just gonna put my feet on this. Yeah? So I just did this one. The rings. It was hard. Mike is just over there coming. But yeah, it's lots of fun. It's really hard, but yeah. But no, it's fun. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Bye. It's level 5.
Quite high up. Micah's scared of heights. Hey Micah, you're scared of heights. You're scared of heights.
No.
I'm just gonna do this one. I'm gonna climb across this rope. Sorry?
Am I doing good?
Yeah, he's doing real good. I was like, nah, we don't have to do number 5. And he's like, no, let's do it. So he's being very brave. Go, Micah. Standing on this tiny wire. Woohoo! You go, babe.
It's right up on my face. Well, if you're looking for something to do in Tauranga, come here. Good, Haley? I am being normal. Do I not sound normal when I'm...
You put a voice on. All done. High five. Yeah. Back on the ground. Did you enjoy that?
No, it's heaps fun.
Yeah, it was lots of fun. We are going to the night markets tonight, and it's such a nice night. It's the first day of summer. And we're also celebrating our 3 years. Woohoo! 3 years.
At the night markets.
Say hi, Connie.
I'm doing that too now. It's a nice day in Tauranga, Tauranga, actually.
Such a nice night. Summer.
Look at the mount.
Beautiful day.
Man, come on, how to get in it?
I'm here. I could stand on this. So we're just gonna watch a movie now, but I won't bring the camera in because what's the point? It's black, dark. Yeah, we'll see you in the morning.
Bye.
Bye.